So guys, my name is Liam and today we're gonna be unboxing the Bsoda cans.
By the way, I'm Luca.
And I bet this is gonna be fun. I think I'm gonna get playtime. Okay. You can Luca choose the bottom.
Oh yes! We did not got it like it now.
Look at that! This is physically impossible. Okay, let's see what's inside. Would you like some help?
Yeah.
Would you like some help? There's a pull line right here. Right there. You know what? Oh, now pull. Yeah. Let's see what the can looks like on, oh look, the can's completely white now. We got a sweep.
I hope we can find something. What? Wait a second.
Some help.
Wait a second, I found something. Who is this?
It is
Baldi!
Whoa! Sweep the camera.
I am Baldi and I know what you're just doing. You can subscribe
You know
or
what?
can't. Now I'm gonna get this one.
Whoa! I got
Like and subscribe.
Hey, I got someone who's very angry. Ooh, let's unbox him out of his bag.
So he can go back to his school.
Now we got Angry Baldi. Angry Baldi climbed the mountain. Whoa! I found an ultra rare figure. That green one, that's an ultra rare figure. So let's try to find him today.
Probably don't find them. Have to find them in the next video.
Maybe we will. Guys, if you like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Did you do it? Yes, you did! Woo!
You're going to get out of our still poop.
I'm making that sound so much. I hear the sounds like on TV, so I like making them.
Okay. What?
Well, here is Camping Baldi.
Can we see if he can take off? I'm gonna see if he can take off the backpack. No, but he has a hat. That's his Baldi.
Oh look, the cans are actually completely white.
Oh, I'm gonna get this.
We got arts and crafters.
I'm gonna put this right here, and I'm gonna get this one. Let's see. I found the pool one where it is.
Mr. Arts and Crafters, you'll go with the line of Baldi. Here we go. If you didn't see Arts and Crafters before, let's put them on the Tower of Baldi's. And Camping Baldi on that one.
Oh.
Hey Luca, show which one you got. Camping Baldi?
No, I got it too.
Dun. 2 Camping Baldi's.
Yeah.
Okay, now let's cut the bags open with my safety scissors. Wow, how much Camping Baldi's do we have now? I unboxed 3 Camping Baldi's. Where's the other one? We have a Camping Baldi missing. We have Camping Baldi's missing, I think.
Where's the pool one at?
You know what? Maybe I saw things, but I think we just have the right amount.
Oh, I found it. The pool one where the opening hatches.
Oh.
What do we get? What we get?
Oh, it's first prize. That's the first prize to get in the game. One,
Eyes on the prize.
two,
It's
three.
eyes on the
We
prize.
got a playtime. Likes
One.
playing a lot.
Luca got first prize.
2, 3, 4. Let's play again. And that's how playtime ends.
Act 2. Let's get this can and then this can.
Oh, we ran out of cans. I'm gonna drink some of the left Bsoda.
I'm gonna drink.
Oh, the last can.
I already got it the left.
Use playtime.
Well, which character I'm gonna get?
And I got a Bsoda hat. I'm gonna take it off. We got the last figure of the day. Wait. Another smiling Baldi. We have 3 smiling Baldis, also known as the original.
No, that's the starter body.
Let's get all the characters we unboxed. So we have Camping Baldi. We have Sweeping Time. And we have Happy Baldi. We have First Prize. We have Angry Baldi. And Luca will tell you the rest.
We have playtime. We have arts and crafters. Get them out of here!
Get them out of here! Get them out of here!
They should be right off the stage.
And guys, thank you for watching Liam and Luca. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Yep.
Bye guys! Woo!